Thank you. Alright. Kumain pa ako. Thank you po. Ayan, tayo daw na sa ating main event ngayong gabi. This is the battle between the batch 2011 versus the batch 2014. Ayan, shoutout po sa ating commissioner, former Councilor and Barangay Kagawad, Mr. Ariel Atad, our sports director dito po sa ating San Juan City United Basketball League 2026, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, the interbatch po ng ating San Juan City Inter-School ng San Juan National High School. Ayan. Good from both team. And syempre, shoutout po sa batch 2011. Please invited me here para may cover up ang kanilang laban ulit. Good luck. Let the battle begin. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon? Madedepensahan kaya ng 2011 ang kanilang titulo ng pagiging kampiyon. Shoutout muli kay Councilor Barangay Kagawad Ariel Cogs. Magandang gabi po. And the first ball mula sa 2014. Number 7 for 3. Yes, para sa 3. For batch 2014. And the last touch. Dogs. Bodoy. Farewell drive. No. Rebound ng 2014. Manalio. Pass number 1. Cross court pass. Out of bounds. Last touch. Wala ito ng batch 2011. Catch and shoot. Basket. And first basket na rin for batch 2011. Floater, short. Rebound by Budoy. Teruel. Pass to coach. Dondon. Mercado for 3. Too strong. Oh, sorry, that's Aguilan. Barangay Kagawad, Aguilan. Paso JM. De La Cruz and stepping on the line for De La Cruz. One-point lead for 2014. Coach Dondon. And a steal. De La Cruz. Back to De La Cruz. JM miss. And 2014 will recover. Parte with a easy layup. Setting on the play, Coach Dondon, Perito. Pass number 18, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound ng 2014. Outlet pass, number 88. Miss it. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 18. Pinigay sa corner. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to De La Cruz. JM. Pinali sa ere. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Aguilan. Pass number 18. Pass to Coach Dondon. At the post, Teruel. Quick drive and gets the foul. On the free throw area. Number 12. Udoy Teruel. First shot is good for Teruel. Second shot for Teruel. Basket. Bumasa isang lamang ng 2014. JM. Pass to number 7. Binigay kay Manalo. Oh, bad pass. Naka-recover. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Good. 7-4 ang ating talaan. Perito. Nasa corner. Back to Perito. Catch and shoot for 3. Short. De La Cruz. Nagmamadali. De La Cruz. Derecho. Basket. It's good. For De La Cruz, JM. 9-4. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng batch 2014. Perito setting on the play. Perito. Back to number 11. Catch and shoot. Yes, para sa 3. Bumabarel pa si Kagawad. Aguilan. At substitution, Mercado coming in na rin para sa batch 2011. On a shot for a 4-point play, no good. Rebound ng 2014. 9-4 or 9-7 ang ating talaan. De La Cruz. Fake. Parte drive, no good. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Aguilan. To number 18. Number 18 gets the foul. That is first personal foul. 13 foul. Chan, pass na Chan. You know, Sintoy oh. Time remaining 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Bola rito ng 2011. Perito setting on the play. Perito, pass number 18 for 3. Yes, sir! Change favor. Lamang na ang 2011. 10-9. Number 7 setting on the screen. Number 7. Bigay sa corner. Fake. Drive. Block. And bet. There's the foul. Number 34. Mercado. That's first personal foul. First team foul for Mercado. Manalo coming in. Tinasok na rin si Relly. Manalo for batch 2011. First shot, no good. On basket. Tabla tayo sa 10. Second shot, miss. Rebound. Astorelli. Manalo to Coach Dondon. Bigay kay Mercado. Back to Perito. To Aguilan. Aguilan. Bounce pass. Manalo. Running shot. Miss. Rebound ng 2014. Number 7, crossover. Running shot. No. Rebound by Aguilan. Pass to Mercado. To Manalo. Manalo setting on the play. Pass to number 18 for 3. 3 points by number 18, De La Cruz. Basket is good. Basa isang lamang, 13-12. Lamang pa rin ang Bash 2011. Manalo, pass to Coach Dondon. Oh, bad pass. Steal ng number 27 or number 7. The guy from elbow 3, wala. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Manalo. Manalo, natapikan. Steal ng 2014, number 7. Back to number 3. No, rebound by Mercado. Number 18 for 3, miss. Kuha ng 2014, ay na running shot, miss again. And a bad pass. Out of bounds. Time out. 2014. Official score 13-12 in favor pa rin sa 2011. Nadal ng ating 2011. Alright, back to the ballgame. Ayun pala si playing coach. Kasi hindi naglaro si Idol Kutoy Tayamora for Bash 2011. Back to the ballgame. Bola rito ng 2011. Coach Dondon Perito to number 18. Pass to Coach Dondon. Coach Dondon, running shot, short. Rebound by Coach Dondon. There's a foul on the free throw area, number 25. Dondon Perito. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 15-12. Colita Christian, cross court to Narzoles. Narzoles, blocked by Mercado. Manalo nagmamadali. Manalo dire-diretso, no good. Rebound and a steal. Manalo back to number 18, but there's a foul. What a nice presence of mind by Preli Manalo. Kaso hindi nga lang napasok ang bola ron. Number 18, shooting for 2. First shot is good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds on the game clock para sa ating first period. Second shot, basket, 2 for 2 by number 18. 17-12. 5-point lead for 2011. Narzoles. Pass to number 25 for 3. No good. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Enteng. Enteng, pinasok na rin. 2-man, 23. Drive. No. Rebound by Enteng. Enteng, fake. Cross-court pass. Oh. Bad pass nga lang. Ayan na. Nagagalit na. Nagagawad. O bro ah. Tira mo na daw. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng 2014. Colita, cross court to Narzoles. Bad pass. Substitution. Bola rito ng 2011. Substitution. Number 15 coming in for number 11. Number 18 for 2011. Manalo, pass to Enteng. Back to Manalo, to Enteng. Enteng, Hesi. Enteng drive. No, rebound by Mercado. Mercado, pass to number 15. Setting on the play. Back to Mercado. Mercado drive, miss, rebound. And last touch, bola rito ng batch 2014. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Colita, pass to Narzoles. Narzoles, back to Colita. Christian, lagay sa corner. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Enteng. Enteng nagmamadali. Enteng natapikan. Really with this recover. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound ng 2014. Narzoles. Ayan na. Side step. Uy, wala. Rebound. And last touch. Bola rito na 2011. Remaining time, last 33 seconds on the game clock. Bola rito ng batch 2011. Manalo. Pass to Enteng. Setting on the play. Enteng, stop and pump for 3. No, rebound by Colita, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng batch 2011. Remaining time, last 14 seconds on the game clock. 14 seconds, shot clock to shoot. Ay. Alas na sila. Ay talaga mo. Sayang. Acebo. Oy, bad pass. Narzoles with a steal. And steal by Manalo. Bad pass again. 2-1. Oy! Munti ka na, idol. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 17-12 in favor of the batch 2011. Ayan na. Lamang ang batch 2011 ng 5. Ay, dadako na maya-maya sa second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Shout out kay Ma'am Donna. Ayan, is watching. Number 1, 4-3, short. Bola dito ng 2011. Pinalik ulit, number 18. Oh, bad pass. Meron naka-recover. Side step, Acebo, natapakan, number 18, 4-3, no good, save, and a step in on the line. Bola rito ng 2014. De La Cruz, pass to, back to De La Cruz, side step, oy! And that's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng 2011. Acebo, pass to Enteng, cross-court pass. Number 18, sidestep, binigay. Ayan na, spin, drive, using the board, no! Rebound by Enteng, but there's a foul. Nagpe-flex na si Enteng, bantasan. Ano daw height nyo? Sabi ni Enteng, bantasan. Shooting on the line. Tingnan natin kung ay papasok ng Enteng ang 2 free throw. Uy, tinitigan pa ang kanyang kakampi. Pasok yan, sabi ni Enteng. Second shot, tingnan natin kung may papasok. Ayan na, wala. Rebound. Makuha na ni Acebo. Too strong. Rebound ng 2014. Number 7, Derecho, sidestep, layup, miss. Rebound by number 16. Pass number 18, tumatakbo, Derecho, up and under, wala. Rebound by number 7. Pass to JM, De La Cruz, low pick up, tumira, and one for JM De La Cruz. That's a blocking foul for sino foul? Parang si Enteng ata, ayun. Binawian siya ni De La Cruz. One shot for De La Cruz. JM. First basket, ang kanyang bonus shot for a 3-point play. Perito, pinasok na rin para sa batch 2011. Coach Don setting on the play. Pass to Acebo. Acebo, stop and pump. No. Rebound. Makuha rito. And a steal. Nakarecover si JM. De La Cruz. Derecho. What a nice overhead pass to number 1. Basket yan. And a timeout by batch 2011. Grabe naman yun para sa batch 2014. Official score 18-17. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Yan, tama tayo. Shoutout daw kay Kutoy Tayamora. Wala pa siya sa 2011. And kay Epimaso, Fox, Sayad, Cortez. Yan, shoutout sa'yo, Marcoy. Siyempre, kay Idol Angel, Archie, Angel. Shoutout sa'yo, parang Angel. At sa ating Santa Lucia Sunday Club. Shoutout sa inyo. And a steal. Oh, but there's a foul. Bola rito ng 2011. Coach Don. Pass to Coach Don. Perito setting on the screen. Bad pass. Steal by JM De La Cruz. It's a blocking foul for Coach Don. Shout out kay Ma'am Donna Echanova. Ayan. Ang may bahay ni Coach Don. De La Cruz, our number 7 for 3, missed. And rebound by Teruel. Outlet pass. What a fake. Cross court. Don, sidestep. Layup yan for Coach Don. Walang tawag, ating referee. What a nice move there para kay Coach Don. Number 7, binigay sa corner. JM, one hand shot. No. Rebound, walang tawag. And out of bounds. Bola rito, mapupunta sa 2011. Coach Don. Pass number 18, Hesi, stop and pop. Bam! Ayan na, lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng 2014. 22-17. Number 7. Back to number 7. Hesi and a steal. Number 18. Outlet pass. Coach Don all the way. Basket is good. At dito na po. Humingi na timeout ang Team Batch 2014. Ng timeout. Official score 24-17 in favor of that Batch 2011. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng 2014. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo kay Sejak Alyob. Hindi ko mabasa, Rimar. Pa-shoutout Batch 25. Congrats my team. Ayan, silang nag-champion sa 2020s Batch. Ayan. Nabubulol-bulol pa. Pasensya na, sinisipon din ako. Alright, back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 18 seconds on the game clock. Number 7, setting on the play. Pinasa loob, Manalo, Binali. Wala, another rebound block by Coach Don. Perrito. Hindi pwede daw yan para Coach Don. Bola rito ng 2014 cross court, number 7, catch and shoot. Wala. And a save. Last touch. Or sorry, stepping on the line. According sa ating official referee. Perrito setting on the play. Number 18, Hesi, stop and pump. Wala. And a rebound. Pass to number 18. Pass to the Perrito. Perrito binigay. Oh, and a steal. Ayan na, 2 against 1. Number 1 all the way. Easy, 2 points. 24-19. Mercado. Pass to number 16. Number 16 to number 20. Back to Mercado. Mercado binigay sa corner. Jump shot, no. Rebound. Binigay kay number 18. And that's a step in on the line. Kita yun ang ating official referee. Time remaining. Di ko pala napindot, sorry. 4 minutes and 58 seconds on the game clock. 24-19. Number 13. Top of the key for 3. Short. Rebound. Ay na, steal. 3 against. Uy! Number 20. Oh, and 1. Grabe. Yun. By Garcia. Number 20. Bonus shot para kay number 20. Basket is good for Garcia. 27-19. Ayan na. Manalo for 3. Wala. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia pass to Perrito. Perrito fake. Binigay kay number 18 for 3. Miss. Rebound by Manalo. Outlet pass. Number 28. Barte. Fake. Drop pass to Manalo. Basket is good. Tabasa ni mga kalamangan. 27-21. Perrito setting on the play. Perrito drive. Kick out to number 18. Number 18. Cross court pass to Garcia. Garcia libre sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Mercado. Mercado bounce pass to Garcia. Garcia running shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound again by Garcia. And there's a foul. Kitang-kita yun natin official referee. Substitution, Segundo and Narzoles coming in. At pinasok na rin si number 88 for Batch 2011. Garcia, first shot is good. Second shot, wala. And a rebound ng batch 2014. Ayan na, si Barte. Back to Barte from corner 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. For Barte. Baba sa 4 ang lamang ng 2011. Number 18. Cross-court pass. Garcia 4-3, short. And a rebound. Narsoles. Pass number 15. To Barte. Pinasa loob. Catch and shoot. Easy. 2 points. Baba sa 2 ang lamang ng 2011. 28-26. Number 18. As number 18, 4-3, wala. Rebound ng 2014. Ayan na, si Barte. Pass number 15 to Narzoles. Narzoles tumira, wala. Rebound by Mercado. Ayan na, number 18, Hesi. Stop and pop. And there's a foul. And the free throw area. Number 18. Llanera. First shot is good. Basket, ang kanyang second free throw. 30-26. Narzoles, number 25. One hand shot, no good. Rebound, Narzoles, walang tawag. Rebound by Teruel to Mercado. Cross-court pass. Fake. Stop and pop. Wala. Mercado, no. Rebound by Manalo. To number 25. Number 15, miss. Oy. But there's a foul. Warning, batch 2014. For a call. And substitution, number 71 coming in for Mercado. Narzoles. Guys sa corner, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Teruel. Pass ko Perrito. Perrito, Hesi. Setting on the play. Less than of seconds. Lamang. Stop and pump. Short. And out of bounds. Last 50 seconds. De La Cruz. To Barte, Hesi. Nagay sa loob. And a steal. Makaka-recover si Narzoles. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz, crossover. Tumira. There's a foul by Garcia. On the free throw area, number 3, JM De La Cruz. Warning, Coach Don for a faking a call. Oh, good. Ang kanyang first free throw. Second shot for JM De La Cruz. Basket. Narito. Time remaining, last 14 seconds. 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, wala. Oy. And that's the end of our first period. Our first half, Fisher score 30-27 in favor of the defending champion. Alright, magkakaroon muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half. And thank you po sa batch 2011. At dito na pagkatapos sa ating first half.